Hey guys, this is Aaron from Breakdance Decoded, and for today we're going to be showing you 7 not so simple drops. 7 very complicated drops. Spectacular drops. 7 different drops. So basic drops are what I would consider like knee drop, corkscrew, like one motion, simple, easy to execute. So the drops that we're going to be showing will be like comprises of maybe like 2 to 3 motions where you have to execute it in perfect flow for you to get the feel of the drop to come out. So let's take a look right now. So we have seen the 7 different drops. Basically, drop itself, there's no hard and fast rule as to what constitutes a drop. You can create any kind of drops that you want. The main point that you have to understand is that traditionally drops goes from like top rock to footwork, but as we go along, you can actually take this idea, and as long as you go from a high level, like a top rock level, and then you go down, as long as like going down to footwork, freeze, back rock, it will still be considered a drop. So take this concept and play around with it, find the different motions that bring you from one level to another lower level. Yeah, just toy around with it.